Hi friends, is there any difference among three terms comforts, happiness and bliss? Though they seem to be synonyms, there is a lot of difference among these three terms. Comforts are skin deep, whereas happiness is mind deep. On the other hand, bliss is soul deep. Of course, it is very difficult for us to understand bliss, but remaining two, those are comforts and happiness. We can understand about it. What is the reason behind it? Once, a wife approached her husband and asked, "See my dear, we have everything in our lives. We have big bungalows, cars, comfortable life we have, and we have good children, they are well educated. In spite of having all these aspects, I am not able to lead happy life. What is the reason behind it?" Then husband thought, not only that is her doubt, even he also has the same doubt. Yes, I have everything in our life. We have everything in our lives, but even then, we are not able to lead happy life. Sometimes I feel so depressed. What is the reason behind it? Then he told his wife, "Let us go to endocrinologist. He may give some suggestions." Of course, it's only because of hormonal imbalance. Some people may not have comfortable life. They may be poor, but we find happiness on their faces. What is the reason behind it? Let us know about it in detail. Now let's read the content in it. These days, it became our daily routine to me and my wife sitting together, drinking coffee, watching TV and talking. She suddenly asked me, "See my dear, we have everything in our lives, but I am not happy." What's the reason behind it? Yes, what she said is true. God gave us everything. Even then, I too feel depressed. Then I told my wife, "Today we will go to the endocrinologist. He may give us some suggestions." We both met him and this is what he said. There are 4 hormones in our body which make us happy. Endorphins, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin. If we know the functioning of these hormones, then we can understand how we can lead happy life. Now, do we know the functioning of those hormones? Yes, let's know it. Endorphins. When we do exercises, these hormones will be released and make us perform our duties actively, enjoying the work. They also give endurance to our pains. Second factor of its release is laughter. That is why laughing therapy is also suggested by our ancestors in yoga. So, watching comedy scenes or making fun of one another releases these hormones. So, it is suggested while performing our exercises for 30 minutes, we can watch these interesting comedy scenes. Second hormone is dopamine. While doing various activities, either big or small, if we do with keen interest, this hormone will be released in more quantity and makes us happy. So it is in our hands to increase its quantity. For instance, if a husband appreciates his wife's cooking or a wife appreciates her husband on any aspect, it acts as a catalyst to enhance its productivity. If a boss appreciates his subordinates' efficiency in their work, its productivity increases. So, is it not in our hands to enhance its productivity so that we can be happy? Of course, it is. Third hormone is serotonin. When we help others, when we do good to others, this hormone is released. To achieve this, we need to maintain good relationship with everyone in the society. Activities like plantation, blood donation, service to needy and handicapped, cremating dead bodies of the neglected, conducting inspiring programs to youngsters, Sharing useful information in social media releases this hormone named serotonin. By this, we can understand what sort of information we need to share in this social media. Now, fourth hormone is oxytocin. This hormone is released when we hug a person affectionately. If a baby is placed on mother's lap and if she kisses a baby affectionately, these hormones will be released in both and make them happy. Some parents, in the name of discipline, don't let their children come closer to them, but they should be friendly with them and embrace them affectionately. We can observe these sentimental attachments between parents and their children. In this way, it is in our hands to make our lives happy. Let us try to improve these four hormones. These also act as stress busters.